So here we are on the inside. Coming the door to the right, the kitchenette here. Our kitchen table turned out beautiful. This is the poplar wood that we milled up ourselves from our neighbor's yard. We actually had a poplar tree fall, and that's the tree. There's the first bed with all the windows closed. And what's really nice about this canvas is that the windows have 3 layers. So it's privacy layer, the clear plastic, and then a screen. This is just the screen on this side. I can't even tell on the camera. Oh, there you go. There's the screen. And then the privacy looks like that. So it all turned out fantastic. My mom made the cushions for the table. That turns into a bed. You can storage under there, and then storage under this side. Huge area for storage under there, all the way down to the wall. Turned out beautiful. Here's the material that we had. Really cool. I really like it. Kind of matches the canvas, which is really cool. Then when you come through the door, here's the wheel well cover. And this is the electrical panel door. Open it up. Got some stuff in there, and my breaker box and transformer. That closes up. Countertop here. Our maple countertops. There's the microwave, fridge, real nice. There's our electrical that runs up to our ceiling lights. So our ceiling lights have 2 lights and then a 1 light mode, which is really nice. And I have 3 of those. The vent right there. Come around. And then this bed has the windows open. So the bed parts of this canvas do not have the clear plastic like this. They just have the privacy window covering, and then the screens, which is, I really like that. So you can get air through your bed at night if it's really hot. Since I don't have AC, it's gonna work out real nice. So now for the most exciting part, the sink and stove. Those turned out absolutely beautiful. The stove works and everything. We cooked breakfast on it the other day. Very nice. I like it. I'm not sure how much we'll use it camping, but it's nice to have if it's raining outside and you can't cook outside. And this folds down real nice. 2 covers fold in, and then you just push it down like that. It's nice, low profile. Sink. Turn it on. Real nice. Works perfectly. So this is as an adjustable faucet. Push it all the way down to close this, and then it is flush. The sink is flush. It has a glass top. Open it up. Pull up your faucet. Turn it on. Perfect. And it's got a drain cover as well. Drain plug. So there's that. Then we have the under the cabinet here, these nice doors. Open up real nice. There's a lot of storage under there. Our plumbing. And then this door right here opens up real nice. Plumbing, electrical. So since I don't have a water heater, I just hooked up both lines to the faucet, the hot and cold line to to the feed. So that's how I did that. The propane comes through the floor right there, goes up, hooks into the stove. Real nice soft closed doors there. But yeah, guys, that's what we built and what we accomplished. Very happy with the end result here. That table does fold down into a bed as well. Those cushions actually, the backs are put onto the table, and then it has a mattress. The foam creates a mattress, so someone could sleep there, someone could sleep up top there, one or two up there, and then one or two on this side. So yeah, the cosmetic things we still have to do. I want to put up valances on this side, and then over this side over the door, put some nice valances up, and then we're gonna put curtains up for the beds so you have privacy at nighttime. Both sides are gonna have pull apart curtains. Still gotta get material for those, but I will let you guys know when I get that finished. I'll make a video on that. But yeah, the camper has officially been built. It has been a very long time, over a year I've been working on this thing, and I think it turned out fantastic. So guys, did have a little water issue with the roof. Water was getting in through the seam down the middle of the roof here, getting dripping through one of our lights, the rear light over the bed, not toward the back over there. So we're brainstorming, and we came up with the solution. We got the Gorilla waterproof seal tape. Stuff's been on for a couple weeks, and we've had this thing untarped and everything through rain, and it has not leaked. So I think this was our trick, sealing up that seam in the middle. I did try the JB Weld a while ago, but that cracked over time, and I'm kind of disappointed with the Flex Seal because it is coming off a little bit. So yeah, that's what we did to clear that leak up.